look, my new buy is Porsche. So Pete referenced Ford. I sold Ford. I sold a little early. I think they have governance issues. Just put 2 more family members on the board. So if you want to own a family company that's been mismanaged 50 years, then have at it. In terms of Porsche, though, they are the leader in EV. Forget about your Lordstown and all those others. This is the place to be. They have more EV models than any other company out there. They're investing more in the infrastructure, including battery plants, including charging stations, charging networks. And I'll tell you this, Porsche is the way to play it because they own 31% of Volkswagen. They have a couple other assets in there. But this company is selling at a discount to the other European automakers. It's selling at a discount to the U.S. automakers. Yet the fundamental is much better. And you've got this asset in VW, which is called Porsche. And if they ever spun out Porsche, the company said they wouldn't. Think of this. That would be worth more than the entire company. You've got Ferrari that's trading at 45 times earnings, where sales were down 10% year over year. Porsche, which is about 10% of VW revenues, their revenues were up 14%, Porsche alone, year over year. So what's that worth? It's not worth the 7 times earnings that market is assigning to it. So I think this stock will do incredibly well over the next year, 5 years, and 10 years. Particularly, they've got a leading market position in China. So everything stacks up here. It's new management, the diesel scandals behind it, the other liabilities will be behind it. It's just clear sailing. Great balance sheet for an auto company. I just love this one. It's one of my top positions now, actually.
Well, I mean, the stock is actually absolutely getting a rip as you're talking about it. It's up 11%. It is worth noting, I think I'm correct. I think I heard, didn't the CEO say that the 911 is not going to go EV, right? Isn't that, I think that's noteworthy out of this announcement, right? I mean, let's not, I mean, it's a 911, Steve, right?
Well, they have others that have gone electric.
I know, but it's a 911.
The Tarkan you can't buy, which is, I know, and I had a 911, and
okay,
hey, you know what?
Go.
Electric cars happen to be faster.
Here we go. I had a 911.
Yeah, what can I tell you? What can I tell you?
Oh, my goodness.
I mean,
you can't,
hey, come on. You got to play, buddy. You can't be all about work. You know?
Apparently so. I mean,
now,
channel
Pete
checks.
could fit into a 911, he'd have one.
Yeah. All right, stock's ripping like 12%. Thank you, Steve.